Hey, what's up you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you 5 tips and tricks on how you can enjoy your Peloton bike even more at home. I know, is it even possible? I did a video about a year ago about how much I love my Peloton and how much I think the purchase is totally worth it. And so I wanted to bring an update to you guys on how I'm loving my Peloton bike. And along with that comes some knowledge. So I wanted to bring you 5 tips and tricks on how you can enjoy your Peloton bike even more than you have been already enjoying it. This includes some personalization features, some technical how-tos, and even an emergency restart on how to fix your bike if it's not working for you. So stay tuned. And yeah, you guys, before we get going on the rest of the video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It's right down below, and hit that subscribe and along with the notification bell, because you know I'm bringing you another video every week for all of 2020. So yeah, guys, thanks for the support, and let's get into this video. The first trick I want to show you is how to change your profile picture on the Peloton app, the one that everyone sees when you're working out, and how everybody high-fiving you on that leaderboard will see it. And you know, as you work out more, you might want to even post a progress pic as your profile pic. So it's really easy, and let me show you how to do it right here. So yeah, you guys, this is the profile pic that you'll see. It's in your upper left-hand corner when you log into the screen. So the first step is you go right down here to these 3 little dots in the bottom right hand corner. Click those and you'll come up with all of these great settings, okay? The thing you're gonna wanna press is profile settings. And then easy as that, this screen will come up. You'll simply click change picture, and you can even take a new photo direct from the Peloton screen. You can import an image from Facebook. So it's as easy as that, you guys. And once you choose the photo that you want, it will display right here so you can see how it will look. You'll simply go ahead and press save. It's time for tip and trick number 2. The second tip and trick I wanted to bring you guys was how to find classes only from your favorite instructors. I know for me, there's some instructors that just don't really fit my vibe. Maybe their personality isn't the best one for me, and I only prefer some instructors. And so if you guys want to go ahead and only see classes from your favorite instructors, it's really super simple, and let me show you how to do that right now. So yeah, you guys, once you get to your home screen, there's some tabs down at the bottom. You're going to want to click the one that says classes. After you click classes, it brings you to this main screen, and up at the top there's a bunch of drop down lists. You're going to want to click the first one that says Instructor, and here lists all active instructors. My favorite one, of course, is Jess King. So let's say you wanted to see only classes by Jess King. You'll simply click her name, let the screen reload, and yeah, you guys, there you have it. Only classes from Jess King. You don't have to be bothered with any other classes that you don't want to see. This one's super easy. And yeah, sound off in the comments below if this is helpful for you guys. Okay, you guys, so it's time for tip and trick number 3. The third thing I wanted to show you guys was how to pick classes that fit into your schedule for each and every single day. Sometimes you might have time for a 45-minute workout. Other times you might only have time for 20 minutes. What I'm going to show you today is how to filter the on-demand classes by length of time, so you can jump straight to the amount of time you want to work out and see the options available to you just with that time frame. Let's get into it. So yeah, you guys, this one's super simple. You're going to start off on the home screen again, and of course navigate to your classes page. Once you've hit the class tab, you have your classes main page, and you have all of these tabs up at the top. The second one in, of course, says length. You're going to go ahead and click length, and below you have all of these different options, ranging from just 5-minute warm-up classes all the way down to 90-minute super calorie burners. So in this case, let's say you're working out before work and you want a quick 20-minute workout. You're going to go ahead and select 20 minutes, and here you have it. You'll be seeing every single 20-minute class in order from newest descending back to oldest of all of the 20-minute classes that Peloton offers from every single instructor. And yeah, you guys, it's as simple as that. So you can just pick from all of the 20-minute rides just like that. Tip and trick number 4 on how to use your Peloton more effectively. I wanted to share with you guys how to change the amount of time it takes for your Peloton to go into sleep mode. So once again, I always like to navigate back to my home screen because it's easy to find everything. You're going to go ahead and go down to the bottom right again to these 3 little dots at the bottom right hand of the screen and click them. It's going to bring up this menu over here, which has a bunch of different options, and you're going to want to select the one that says device settings. Once you click device settings, you're going to get to this page with a variety of different options. To change the amount of time the display takes to go to sleep, you simply click display under the device menu, and it gives you these options. You can change the brightness level, but here's what we're after: sleep mode. You can go to sleep after 30, 10, 5, 2, 1 minute, or 30 seconds, or even 15 seconds, which is the most energy efficient option. For me, I do like to keep it on 30 minutes because sometimes I'm in and out of the room and I want to see different things on my Peloton. But yeah, you guys, anyways, that's easy as that. Once you're done, you just navigate back to the home screen and proceed as normally, and that's how you change the amount of time it takes for your Peloton to go to sleep. Totally customizable. Okay, you guys, here we are, tip and trick number 5, and this is the doozy. This one definitely took me some minutes, and when I say minutes, I mean 40 minutes on the phone with Peloton on hold this one time to figure out. So this is definitely a tip and trick that will save you lots of time, and I hope it helps you how it's helped me. So yeah, you guys, whenever you're having any major issue with your Peloton that nothing else will seem to fix, I'm here to save you. All you need to do is a factory reset, and it's a couple of easy steps. If your device is really frozen, this will fix it, I promise you. So yeah, let's get into how to do a factory reset on the Peloton. So it's really simple, you guys. I'm starting once again on my favorite screen, the home screen. I'm going to go to the top right of the screen and I'm going to click settings. From settings, I'm going to go to the bottom of the menu and click device settings. And then here, third down on the main list is something called personal, and right under that it says factory reset. You're going to go ahead and click factory reset. It gives you this warning message which says this will erase all data from your tablet's internal storage, including system and app data and settings. Stop. Side note, I know what you guys are thinking. Panic alert. I've worked so hard to get to 200 rides. I'm not about to have all that erased. Calm down. This doesn't erase any of your profile info. All it means is that once the device resets, you're going to have to 1, log back into your profile using your username and password, 2, probably select your language, which is like English, Spanish, whatever, and 3, you're gonna have to reset up to your Wi-Fi and download any updates. It's not a big deal, guys. Just go ahead and press accept on the factory update and do not worry, this will fix your device. You simply proceed to the bottom of the page and click reset tablet, and yeah, you guys, follow the directions that I gave you previously and you will be good to go. Okay, you guys, well, that's it for my video today on 5 tips and tricks that will help you use your Peloton and enjoy it even more. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and please go ahead and leave a comment down below on what trick or tip helped you out. And yeah, you guys, I hope you're having a great day, staying safe, having fun with your family and friends, and I'll be sure to see you around. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next week. Later, guys. Just wanted to interject this while I'm in the middle of my freaking workout that I'm dropping my promo code down below for $100 off the Peloton bike. You won't get a better, more fun workout. Yeah, you guys, it's in the description. Get it, $100 off. Later.